Hello everybody, welcome to today's show of Gardening with the Countess. I'm Brian Hetrich and this is the Countess, and we're here in the organic garden at the Port of the Missing Men. And today's episode of Gardening with the Countess, we're going to be learning the proper way to harvest rhubarb. So Countess, can you tell us a little bit about rhubarb?
All right, we start by bending off the flowers because they sap all the energy. We want nice big fat stalks and not stringy ones.
Okay, and why do we bend the flowers instead of getting a pair of scissors and cutting the flowers?
No, because the stems are hollow and then the rainwater goes in and rots them out. No, we don't want that.
Oh, okay.
And it's too much bother. Just bend them over.
I see. So
That's
bending
fine.
them over keeps them sealed so the rainwater can't get in.
Right.
Okay, and then what part of the plant do we actually eat of rhubarb?
So we eat the stem, and we want to go for the nice big fat stems, which are usually at the bottom and sort of in the middle. And we take a big fat one like this and both hands, always both hands, and just yank it off.
Okay,
And this is really the good part here.
the little white part on the end?
Yes,
Ah.
I've seen people cut that off and discard it, which is a big mistake,
I see. Okay,
because that's a good part.
yeah.
And then the leaves are toxic, so we break those off and they go in the compost.
Okay, good compost. So we eat the stem
We eat
like
the
this.
stem, yes.
Okay, that's awesome. Well, thank you, Countess. So stay tuned for our next episode of Cooking with the Countess. We're going to be making a vanilla rhubarb compote, and we're also going to be having more episodes of Gardening with the Countess. So thanks for joining us. Have a great day. Bye-bye, everybody.
See you soon.